Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to easily change a diaper. Changing a diaper is a fundamental skill for any caregiver, and with a few simple steps, you can master it. First, ensure you have everything ready: a fresh diaper, wipes, and any creams. Next, find a safe and comfortable spot, like a changing table or a clean floor. Remember to always keep one hand on your little one to prevent any unexpected tumbles. Now, let's tackle the old diaper. Gently unfasten the tabs and open the diaper. If it's soiled, use the front part of the diaper to wipe away any major messes before folding it under your baby. Then, lift your baby's legs by the ankles and use a fresh wipe to clean thoroughly from front to back, especially for girls. Make sure all creases are clean and dry. With your baby clean, it's time for the fresh diaper. Slide the new, open diaper underneath your baby, making sure the sticky tabs are at the back. Bring the front of the diaper up between their legs. Then, pull the tabs from the back to the front and fasten them securely. You should be able to comfortably fit 2 fingers between the diaper and your baby's waist, ensuring it's snug but not too tight. Finally, wrap up the soiled diaper into a neat bundle, using the tabs to secure it, and dispose of it in a designated diaper pail or trash can. Always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water immediately after changing a diaper to maintain hygiene. Remember, diaper changes are also a great opportunity to bond with your baby through talking, singing, or making eye contact. Enjoy these precious moments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.